Hey, welcome back. So far, you've learned how to stop procrastinating, build discipline, manage your time, focus like a pro, take killer notes, stay consistent, boost your memory, and balance school and life. Basically, you're crushing it. But here's the thing, even with all these skills, big goals can feel overwhelming. The essay seems like Mount Everest. The exam feels like a dragon. That's where small wins come in. Tiny, consistent steps can snowball into massive success. Today, we're talking about the power of small wins, how doing just a little every day compounds into huge results. By the end of this video, you'll never underestimate the magic of small steps again. Tip 1. Break big goals into tiny tasks. Big goals are scary. Writing a 10-page essay? Nightmare. But breaking it into smaller chunks, one paragraph at a time, turns the impossible into the manageable. I once stared at a blank page for an hour, then wrote one sentence and called it a win. That one sentence started a chain reaction. Tip 2. Celebrate every step. Even tiny accomplishments deserve recognition. Finish a paragraph, win, solve a problem, win, remember to breathe and smile. I once celebrated finishing a single math problem with a victory dance. The neighbors weren't impressed, but my brain was thrilled. Tip 3. Track progress visibly. Use charts, sticky notes, or habit trackers. Seeing wins accumulate motivates you to keep going. I once made a win wall of sticky notes. Ended up with my wall covered in colorful chaos. But my grades went up, so it worked. Tip 4. Start small to build momentum. Small wins generate momentum. Writing 50 words may seem tiny, but it often leads to 500. I once wrote a tiny paragraph and ended up finishing a whole essay, fueled entirely by guilt and snacks. Tip 5. Focus on what you can control. Don't stress over perfect outcomes. Focus on actions within your control. Starting, showing up, and completing tasks. Confession. I used to obsess over perfect notes. Then, never reviewed them. Small wins beat perfect, but stagnant. Tip 6. Use wins to boost confidence. Each small win reminds your brain, I can do this. Confidence compounds over time. I once finished a tiny revision and suddenly felt ready for the exam. My brain yelled, "Whoa, you're a genius!" Even if the exam later disagreed, it felt good at the time. Tip 7. Keep building daily. Consistency plus small wins equals unstoppable progress. One step per day becomes a mountain climbed over time. Confession. I once ignored small wins. Ended up overwhelmed and binge-watching cat videos instead. Don't make the same mistake. Conclusion. So there you have it. Break big goals into tiny tasks. Celebrate every step. Track progress. Start small. Focus on control. Boost confidence and build daily. Small wins compound into massive success. Combine this with procrastination hacks, discipline, focus, note-taking, consistency, and balance. And suddenly, student life feels manageable, maybe even fun. This is video 9 of 12 in our series. Next up, we're diving into 10 morning habits that will make you a more productive student, because winning the day starts with the morning. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's keep leveling up together. Now, go do one tiny thing today and call it a win.